Are you emailing back and forth about a time to meet and want to go ahead and schedule the event on your calendar? No need to open Google Calendar, just create the event right within Gmail. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to create a calendar event in Gmail. Let's get started. In Gmail, click on the calendar icon in the Compose or Reply window, then click Create an Event. From there, you can edit event details, add guests, save, and send invitations. So there you have it. Create a calendar event in Gmail in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.